Hey, let me show you how you can use camera pro mode on the POCO X6 Pro. So to open the pro mode, you will have to navigate into the left side, just right here. And first of all, I will recommend you to click on this information icon, where you can actually find all of this description for every parameter. So that's the auto exposure, the parameters like saturation, the focus peaking, exposure verification, white balance, focus, shutter speed, exposure compensation, ISO, and lenses. So first, let's start from this bar, where we can find at the first the white balance that we can actually adjust manually with this slider and automatically by selecting the first option. Next, we can find the focus range, so we can get this range automatic or manually. Next, we can find the shutter speed. If you want to get longer shutter speeds, for example for 3 seconds, you can also do this. There we go. And you can even set the 30 seconds, so that's a lot. And you can also set it with the automatic value. Here we can also find the ISO level. We can set it manually or automatically. And that's the only parameter, the exposure compensation, that you can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic button, like for example on this shutter speed. Next, from here we can also change the lenses between the ultra wide and the wide lens, and from here by clicking we can also adjust other parameters like saturation, contrast, and the sharpness. So to do this, we just have to move this sliders to the left or to the right, and that's quite simple to adjust. If you want to reset the parameters, just click right here. And next, when you click on this arrow, from here you can also turn on the histogram. You can also turn on the exposure verification. So when it will be like too much light, when I for example turn on the exposure like this, you can actually find all of these red lines showing you the place where there's like too much exposure. So it means that you have to decrease this lighting condition. You have to just adjust your lighting condition because it's too much light. So you can, for example, decrease exposure or increase. But if you have like really bad lighting condition, you will also find the blue lines on the objects that you want to take the photos. Take a look right here and right here. It means that we have to boost the light on these arenas. Next, from here we can also find the focus peaking. So as you can see now, I can find these green colors on this. It's not Gandalf, it was the Dumbledore, and it's related with this focus range. So when I set the focus like this, as you can see right now, it's almost out of the focus, or like this. So if you are catching focus on any object, you will get this green confirmation on the object that you are actually focusing. So in the automatic focus, it will looks like this all the time. And also we can enable the voice shutter, so we can say cheese and the photo will be taken. That's also the 64 megapixel mode that will allows you to take the high quality photos. From here we can also find the auto exposure settings, so we can set the frame average or spot metering. Also we can turn on the grid lines. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.